Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make cotton candy lemonade. First, gather your simple ingredients for this delightful drink. This refreshing beverage combines classic lemonade with a whimsical twist, perfect for any occasion. We'll walk through each step, ensuring your drink is both visually appealing and incredibly tasty. Get ready to impress your friends and family with this fun, vibrant creation. To begin, you'll need 1 cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice, which usually comes from about 4 to 5 medium lemons. Next, measure out 1 cup of granulated sugar and 4 cups of cold water. For the fun part, have 1 cup of your favorite cotton candy ready. Any color works beautifully. Don't forget plenty of ice cubes to ensure your lemonade is perfectly chilled. First, combine your 1 cup of sugar with 1 cup of water in a small saucepan. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly until the sugar completely dissolves, forming a clear, simple syrup. Remove it from the heat and let it cool slightly. Once cooled, pour this syrup into a large pitcher, then add your 1 cup of fresh lemon juice and the remaining 3 cups of cold water. Stir everything thoroughly to combine. Now for the best part, serving. Fill your favorite glasses with plenty of ice cubes. Carefully pour the freshly made lemonade over the ice, filling each glass almost to the top. For that magical touch, gently place a generous cloud of cotton candy directly on top of the lemonade in each glass. Serve immediately and enjoy watching the cotton candy slowly melt into the drink, adding a delightful sweetness and a beautiful swirl of color.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.